Hey scientists! Today we are grafting together two different plants to see if we can get them to grow as one. This experiment is inspired by artist Sam Van Aken, who developed the tree of 40 fruit and fooled one plant into growing 40 different types of fruits using science. So to graft, what that means is you have to clip one plant. This is basil. Oh, it smells so good. And you just use some scissors and cut the stem carefully. So I split it into two different pieces, but I'm keeping it whole at the top. And then I'm going to do the same on my strawberry plant. This strawberry plant comes from our school farm and was started by kid farmers. I've had it in my backyard living in this pot for 2 years. Okay, I'm going to try and find a piece that looks pretty sturdy. Maybe one down here. This one looks pretty good actually. So I'm going to use the same process and try and cut a piece of the stem, not off, just kind of slice it in half. Oh, I made a mistake. That was bound to happen. We make lots of mistakes in science. Let me try another one. The strawberry plant is really thin. Maybe I'll be better off trying over here. Okay. All right, I was able to make a small incision and separate a piece of the stem off. And now what I'll do is use just a plain piece of tape, clear tape, and I'm going to put the two different parts of the plants together. So I'm going to pull off this piece and attach my basil to my strawberry plant. And this process is called grafting. And I use my tape to create moisture. Maybe I should try and go from the bottom. Inside the stem, so the plant is fooled into growing together. Now, the artist Sam explained this process could take up to 3 years to work. So I'm going to stick this back outside in my backyard when we're done, and we'll see. But I wonder what kind of plants you have around the house, and if you could try grafting two different plants together to create something new. Let me know how it goes. Thanks for joining me today. This is Scientist Diana trying to get a basil plant to graft together with a strawberry plant. Thanks so much. See you next time.